Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I want to arrange everything you are seeing here. Can you see? Let me go down very well. Can you just see? And then here. So this is what you people don't see whenever I am filming. Yeah, let me just say hi to you guys. Hi. So this is something you don't see whenever I am filming. Let me go back a bit. Can you see? So I bought this table. I bought this table here, the one that is sitting here. So what I want to do is I want to remove everything here. Then take this table here, this new table here. Hubby has already coupled it for me. A lot is going on here, honestly. So I want to take this table and then put it here, and I'm going to this makeup table here, I'm going to give it to my daughter, but I am keeping this particular one here because it has a lot of storages. So beauties, let's go now and start doing everything. I want to take out everything. Hubby said that I should remove everything and wait for him to come back to help me, but I want to do it before he comes home. Okay, so yeah, this video is inspired by Ogom series. She did a home tour video, kind of, where she used a little space she has to do her video, her filming studio, kind of. So I have been longing to do this for a very long time, but laziness couldn't allow you, sis. But after watching her video, I got a lot of motivation and inspiration to do it. Yeah, so let's go on to do this. This makeup table here, I'm going to give it to my daughter. Okay, so let's continue. I'm packing everything down here. I have a lot of properties here. My goodness. My piggy bank. My big boxes. Can you see? I have removed everything here. Oh, can you see? So I'm going to take this particular one here and shift it here. So let me remove this. Let me remove this light. So Beauties, I've already placed it. I am. Oh God. So Beauties, this is the final look. Yes, can you just see how beautiful my makeup table is looking? Oh my goodness, I am loving this. Now I have enough storage. Can you see all these compartments here, and this particular one too? Yeah. So let me come a little bit closer so that you can see what Beauty by NG has done for herself. I am so happy. I am so grateful for the opportunity to get this. So I have my makeup brushes here. Yeah, then I have my makeup there and also there, my lashes, my Hollywood mirror or whatever they call it, and then there are my concealers, okay? And then here in the compartment, I have a lot going on here too, and then here. And this place, I just packed my wigs, as you can see, from Eunice hair, from RPG and stuffs like that. And then I have this This fake plants or flower that I have here, anytime I'm doing my video, if I'm not using this, then I'm using this beautiful one here. Yeah, so beauties, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, and then I bought this table mat, yeah, from one of our €1 store, because anytime I'm doing my makeup, I hate stains, so that's why I bought it, and then I wrap it with a nylon or something like that. Yeah, so beauties, that is it. I hope, can you just see, if you watch the before and then the after of this video, you know that Beauty by NG did a great job here. So I am proud of myself, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share please, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye bye.